Okay, remove the DEQ. It's there now. That'll have a new assignment. On the cables, XLRs are down there. I've got to redo the XLRs because they got to be have different connections on them for the balanced input to the channel 7 and 8 on there on the CTS 8200. Labeled the speaker cables. It's not a case of getting them back to front, because if I noticed it with the pink noise, then I know I've got to reverse the cables. Once I've connected that up and tested, I'll have a few hour break or so, and then I'm gonna have to then, I think, undo the height 1, height 2 and height 3, and probably take these amps out, take these amplifiers out, and they'll probably they'll go back in the system soon. There'll be a special extra enhancements. So they'll go back in the rack. Mind you, this rack tower is pretty heavy. So if I got to put them back in, I got to I'm kind of forgetting. I've got to move these up, move them all up a bit further up in the rack. So got to look at the back very carefully. It's a bit tatty. So got to move these very carefully, because got to move these up very carefully. So crikey, got to move them again. It's not that easy, because got to put the clips in. So I've got to measure the rack frame spacing, and then put the clips in, and then screw the amplifiers in position, and they'll be okay. These ones won't be too heavy. These will be a little bit heavier. And the rest of the Behringers and such, they're fairly light. Brilliant on. I like that. Lightweight. Heavyweight power, but lightweight, feather lightweight. Yeah, something like that, I guess. And then once I've got some rack space for about free U frame, I'll get that ready into position, and then I have to undo all the height 1, height 2, height 3, and they'll go on to height 1 will go on to here, height 2 there, height 3 there, and then dog 1, dog 2, and I'll have to use temporarily one of the Behringers. I'll have to rewire my below surround and put the dog 3 on there temporarily, and move the below surround onto one of these channels, one of these here. Now I have to do a little bit, figuring out a little, just figure out a little bit more if I can, you know, so possibly maybe get a third one in, because well, the design is not bad, just very deep, very heavy, but okay, I got the software on there, so I can then, once that's all on there, I can put in some filters for the surrounds, get them sounding up to the THX approval, and then listen to some movies again.